This is another one of my tunes. This one's called Let the Bird Fly. Feel free to comment if you like. When I saw you the other day, yeah, shouted your name and you looked the other way. I wanted to tell you what I thought of you. I wanted to tell you what you ought to do. 'Cause you had a bird and you let it fly, oh yeah. Bird and you let it fly, oh yeah. You swallow your pride and you take what you receive. I know there's a better place out there for you and me. Following the footsteps and maybe you'll see. Listen what I'm saying, and maybe you'll be free. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Maybe you'll be free. Too many rides and there's too many wrongs. There's too many bells and there's too many gone. So let me tell you what you wanna hear. I'm not concerned until it's all disappeared. 'Cause you had a bird and you let it fly, oh yeah. Bird and you let it fly, oh yeah. Swallow your pride and you take what you receive. I know there's a better place out there for you and me. Following the footsteps and maybe you'll see. Listen what I'm saying, and maybe you'll be free. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Maybe you'll be free. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Maybe you'll be free.